Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making a famous and delicious Tofu Frankie Roll recipe. If you are new to my channel, I make easy plant-based or vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. I have added the list of ingredients in the description section. So let's start by cutting the tofu. I have taken around 150 grams of tofu and I'm slicing it into smaller pieces. Once done, place all the tofu pieces into a bigger bowl. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, and juice of half lime. Gently mix everything without breaking the tofu pieces. Make sure that the tofu pieces are nicely covered in all the spices and then set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. While the tofu is resting, we'll go ahead and prepare the vegetable mix, which is so simple to make. To a bowl, add the onions, carrot, bell pepper. I'm using green and red bell pepper. Then 2 to 3 mint leaves, half teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, half teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Mix everything well. After 20 to 30 minutes, heat a pan and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 to 3 chopped cloves of garlic. And let them cook over low or medium heat for about 2 minutes. Then add the marinated tofu to the pan. Stir fry it for 4 to 5 minutes over low or medium heat. Be gentle with the tofu while mixing it. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. This is optional. Mix everything well and cook it for a minute and then switch off the heat. So the tofu is ready for the Tofu Frankie roll. You can make a chapati, or in my case I have taken a pre-made tortilla. Then I'm adding around 1 to 2 tablespoons of green chutney, and now spread the green chutney evenly across the tortilla. You can use ketchup also or any sauce of your choice. Add the chopped vegetable mix to the chapati. Then add the tofu pieces. And that's it, guys. Either you can roll the chapati or wrap it like this and serve it hot. The Tofu Frankie roll is ready. This is such an easy recipe which can be done in a jiffy, and you can always choose your favorite ingredients to make it. And the best part is, this is not just an easy recipe but a healthy one as well. I'm just going to make one more. So again, place some green chutney. I would suggest you to try it with green chutney because it's phenomenal. Spread it as evenly as possible. Place the vegetables. One tip for the vegetables I would tell you is, do not chop them too much in advance, otherwise they will become watery. Then add the tofu, and I'm using some homemade hummus. I will also link the hummus recipe in the description section just in case you need it. I am wrapping it just a little differently from the first one so it doesn't fall off. And that's it. The second Tofu Frankie roll is also ready. This is also a perfect recipe for packed lunch boxes, picnics, or even while you're traveling. So do try this at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. It will also help me for my future recipes and videos. And if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I will see you soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.